Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Creamy from Incredibox Sprunki. So first for the head, we're going to start on the top and we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And now we're going to leave a small gap coming down on the right, curving this line back around and then connecting that together on the bottom. Now on the top, let's arch this line around and then in. Moving beside that again, we're going to curve this line down. And then again from the corner, just curving this line back around and then in. Now for the cone, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line back down. Now let's draw in a diagonal line as we move up. We're going to leave a small gap, replicating that, moving that over. Now from here, we're going to move across, bringing our diagonal line up. And then we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we move across and replicate that. Now for our eyes, on the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a circle. And then we're going to leave a small gap coming over on the right and replicating that. Now moving in towards the top of both eyes, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. And then for the pupil, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now for the eyebrows on both sides, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming down. And then for our mouth, we're just going to draw in a straight line across in the middle. For the body, let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides towards the bottom of our page. And then from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Creamy from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.